Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Markie. For all those who are new here, I'm so excited, so grateful. I just recently got quite a few new subscribers and I couldn't be more happy. On this channel, we're here to aspire to inspire. We're trying to motivate ourselves to get up out of depression, out of our ruts, and be the best that we can be. So if that sounds like something you'd like to do, go ahead and click subscribe. So today's video, you guys. Today's video was inspired by a sermon I heard from Mr. T.D. Jakes, and he said a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, it might be just a quote to some of you, but to me, that hit me, yo. It hit me like a ton of bricks. It sparked something in me that I can't even explain. But I realized I've been nothing but a wisher my entire life, instead of a goal setter. There's a huge difference between having a wish and having a goal, and we're going to talk about it right now. Goal without a plan is just a wish. It's deep, right? That is a quote by what is his name? Antoine de Saint-Exupéry? I don't know. It's a famous quote. And I came across this quote the other day, and it really got me thinking. A goal without a plan is just a wish. It's so true. So true. When I was a kid, I always wished for things. I always wanted things, but I didn't know that I needed a plan in order to get those things. I just thought that one day it would happen as long as I wished hard enough. Well, that's not the case. Examples like, I wish that I could lose 20 pounds. I do. I wish that I could lose 20 pounds. But, no one ever lost weight wishing pounds away. It would take me to start eating healthy or going to the gym or drink more water, quit doing certain things or I have always wanted to take my kids to Disney World. Well, I'm never going to be able to stand in a long line in the Florida heat with my kids waiting to get our pictures taken with Mickey Mouse if I don't have money, right? I gotta have money for the plane tickets and the tickets to Disney World and all that. Yeah, or I like this one too. I really wanted to learn how to play guitar one day. I really did. I've always wanted to learn how to play guitar. My husband even bought me a guitar. But I'm not just going to one day magically wake up and know how to play Hotel California on the guitar. I have to take steps. I have to make a plan. I have to go get guitar lessons. I have to maybe look up on YouTube what it takes. I have to have a strategy. I can't just wish for something and it happen. And this is really resonating with me because I hear my children say, Mommy, I wish this, or I want this. One day I'm going to be this. But they never see them putting efforts or small steps towards getting there. They just think that if they wish hard enough, that one day it'll magically appear. And that's a sad reality to one day figure out what? I was supposed to do what to get there? Yeah. None of these examples are ever going to happen without a plan. You know what I'm saying? Done. So whatever it may be, every wish I have requires some sort of plan, some sort of way to execute it. We can either be the person who thinks like this, oh, one day I'm going to learn to play the guitar. Or we could be the person that thinks like this. Day one, today's day one. Today is day one that I'm going to start taking guitar lessons. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You get where I'm going with this, right? I have a couple tips that I want to share with you guys that I just have started to incorporate. Why when I say big words I can't? But yeah. So my first tip is to be proactive. Your decisions are the main factor for effectiveness in your life. Your decisions are totally the main factor for effectiveness in your life. You have to be responsible for your decisions, and you have to be responsible for the repercussions that might follow from your decisions, you know? Tip would be to begin with the end in mind. Whatever the bigger picture is, whatever that goal and wish and want is that you desire so greatly, picture it in your mind. See yourself there and feel it. Think about how good it's going to feel, how proud of yourself you're going to be, and how much better off you are going to be and feel in the end. You know, like once I finally learned how to play Hotel California on that guitar, I'm going to be so incredibly proud of myself. I am going to share it with my friends and with my family, and everybody else is going to be proud of me because I decided that I'm going to take action. I'm going to make a strategy. I'm going to make a plan, and I am going to learn how to play a guitar, whatever it is. Think about the reward after. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Watch. One day, I'm going to be on here, and I'm going to be playing that song for you guys. Yep. You wait and see. Put first things first. Prioritize. Prioritize, you guys. That's one big, huge thing we need to do. But not only prioritize, we need to execute our daily tasks with what is most important compared to what is urgent. You understand? Decipher between the two, and based on the importance of whatever it may be, prioritize which one you have to do first. Rude! Guy just drove by and looked at me with a loud truck. I'm trying to get my people somewhere now. Anyways, you guys, yeah, a goal without a plan is just a wish. I hope that you got something out of this. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but that's all right. We're going to get it together. I'm going to get it together. I'm going to stop wishing and start planning, and you should too. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something out of it. If not, I'm sorry. I'll try again harder next time. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it with anybody you think needs it or could benefit from it. I am literally so happy with all my new subscribers. Hey y'all, hey y'all. And thank you so much to the ones that keep coming back. I love you. You're the real deal. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Happy Friday. Bye. Too much? Did you guys know I could beatbox? Yeah, just one of my many talents.